And so it stopped growing, and now the new nail here is pushing this out like a baby tooth.
Okay.
So most of this piece right here is going to come right
Dead,
off.
yeah, okay.
So, like that. And
There.
so that whole piece, right.
Mm-hmm.
So esta parte es muy vieja y no está, ¿cómo se dice? Conectada al piel. ¿Se duele?
Sí.
Okay.
And it should grow out after.
Yeah, it will grow out because, and we're gonna have her, I mean, it's still growing.
Mm-hmm.
Ya está creciendo. But we're gonna put her on an antifungal medicine for
Sure.
a few months and then wait and see if the new nail grows back better.
Oral or?
Yeah, I'm gonna do terbinafine
Okay.
for 90 days. Okay, y la otra.
Do you check any?
Yeah, we do liver functions
Gotcha. Okay.
at the beginning
Okay.
and then usually 6 weeks in.
Okay.
FDA says you don't have to anymore. I have seen enough
Okay. Yeah.
changes that I just,
Yeah.
it's just
Makes
not
sense.
worth risking your liver.
Right. Yeah. You
Lo
okay?
siento, lo siento. Ok, solamente un poco más. Ok, y ahora solamente voy a adelgazar. You can keep it on.
Better?
Está mejor.
Ah.
Sí, pero
Yeah.
like, con ese-
Ok, esta parte no se duele.
Okay.
Oh, come on. No está funcionando. Podemos usar una lima para limar. Y también, si quiere, podemos dar una crema para poner cada día sobre la uña. Pues tenemos medicamente de dentro adentro y de afuera. Okay.
You translate in English?
Oh,
No, but this is pretty cool.
no, so,
What did she say?
It's just like that they're gonna give her cream.
Okay.
That way there's medicine both outside and the end inside.
Okay. All right.
There you go, I'll translate for
Okay.
you.
Thank you. Yeah. Please translate for me.
¿se siente mejor?
Does that feel better?
Yeah. Looks.
Sí, yo,
Sí.
ya, yo sé, aquí.
Okay. So you give her antifungal too for
Yeah, I'll-
outside both?
Yep, I'll
Okay.
give her some, we have chlorotrimazole here.
Okay.
So I'll give her some of that and then the,
So you hit it from both. Yeah.
yeah.
Good.
Okay.